Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your name to the carrier logo on your iPhone. First of all, for this method, you'll need a computer. Before we move on to the computer steps, you need to temporarily turn off Find My iPhone for this method to work. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap on your name. Then go to Find My and select Find My iPhone. Turn it off. If you're unable to turn it off, go back to Settings. Scroll down to Face ID and Passcode. And tap on Stolen Device Protection. Turn it off there. This step is necessary to turn off Find My iPhone temporarily. Now, go back to Apple ID, Find My iPhone, and you should be able to turn it off. Enter your passcode when prompted. This step is essential for the process to work. Once that's done, head over to your computer. Open a web browser and search for kawabun.ga. Download the file for your computer. Once downloaded, open the file and double-click on Kawabunga Lite. Select Extract All and wait a few seconds for the extraction to complete. After it's extracted, open the Kawabunga Lite file again. If Windows Protection pops up, click on More Info and select Run Anyway. The app will now be fully installed. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, tap on Refresh in the app to load your device. When your iPhone appears in the app, go to the status bar section. Check the Modify option, then enter the text you want in the carrier text field. If you want to add emojis, visit Emojipedia on a web browser, copy the emoji you want, and paste it into the carrier text field. Once you're done, tap on Apply on the left menu and select Apply Changes. Your iPhone will now restart. Don't worry, this is normal as it changes the carrier name. Once your iPhone has restarted, swipe down from the top right corner to see that the carrier name has been changed. That's how you do it. Now, you can turn Find My iPhone back on. Go to Settings. Tap on your name. Go to Find My iPhone and turn it back on. If needed, go to Face ID and Passcode, Stolen Device Protection and turn it back on. If you want to reset the carrier text, turn off Find My iPhone again. Open the app on your computer, plug in your iPhone, and go to Apply. Select Reset, and your iPhone will restart. Now, your iPhone will be back to its original settings. After that, you can turn Find My iPhone back on again. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.